Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install SushiSwap wallet connection and swap tokens. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the SushiSwap website. Locate the Connect Wallet button on the home page. Click on the Connect Wallet button. A list of supported wallets will appear. Choose the wallet you want to connect, such as MetaMask or Wallet Connect. If you're using MetaMask, ensure your browser extension is installed and set up. Select MetaMask from the list. A pop-up window will prompt you to log in to your MetaMask account if you aren't already logged in. After logging in, grant SushiSwap permission to connect to your wallet. Once connected, you'll see your wallet address displayed on the SushiSwap interface. Now, navigate to the Swap section. Select the tokens you want to swap from the drop-down lists. Input the amount of tokens you wish to trade. Review the current exchange rate and any fees that may apply. Click on the Swap button to initiate the transaction. Confirm the swap details in the pop-up window. If everything looks correct, click on Confirm Swap. Your wallet will prompt you to confirm the transaction. Check the gas fees and adjust if necessary. Once satisfied, click Confirm to proceed. Wait for the transaction to be processed. You can view the transaction status on your wallet. After completion, you'll see the swap tokens in your wallet balance. Repeat the process whenever you need to swap tokens again. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.